Okay, so in this lecture, you have to see the expression for the wave number of line in the rotational spectrum of diatomic molecule. So first, you can write down the energy of rotational spectrum, that is E rotation. So here we can write down E rotation, that is rotational energy, is equal to A is nothing but a constant. It is a constant for a molecule, and it will be, and the value of A is nothing but h square upon 8 pi square. So this is what the constant term. Okay. So you can again write down the E rotational equation, that is rotational energy is equal to J plus 1 times the value of A is nothing but this. This is what h square upon 8 pi square I. Okay. Now E1 will be the energy in the initial state and E2 will be the final state. So the equation become, so let's write down the initial energy, that means E1 is equal to J1 plus 1 times h square upon 8 pi square I. Okay, so this is what the constant term. Similarly, we can write down final state energy, that is E2. So for this is what J2 plus 1 time h square upon 8 pi square I. Okay, so this is what the to energy. A new equation for the difference, we can write down delta E. Delta E is nothing but the difference between the two energy, which means E2 minus E1. Okay, so we know the equation for E1 and E2. Just put the value of E1 and E2 in this formula, then we can get delta E. So I will run. So you can write down here. Okay, so in the next step, you can just put the value of E1 and E2. So delta E is equal to E2 minus E1, and E2 is nothing but J2 in bracket J2 plus 1 times h square upon 8 pi square I. So it is written in bracket. Okay, minus, it is a difference between these two energy, so it is what minus, and E1 will be J1 in bracket J1 plus 1 h square upon 8 pi square I, bracket complete. Okay, so in the next step, h square upon 8 pi square I. So this is what the constant term. So we just write down out of the bracket. So the equation will be delta E is equal to J2 plus 1. Okay, so this is what the minus. So I'll write down here minus, and the remaining is what J1 plus 1 bracket complete and constant term with the outer down here h square upon 8 pi square I. Okay, and in the next step we just multiply this J2 this bracket. So the equation will be delta E is equal to J2 into J2, so it will be J2 square, again J2 into 1, so it is what plus J2, okay, minus, so this is what minus, so minus again here J1 into J1 square, so it is what minus J1 square, again J1 into 1, so it will be minus J1, okay, and h square upon 8 pi square. This is what the constant term. Now in the next step will be written like this: J2 square minus J1 square, okay, and this is what the plus. So here is plus J2 minus J1 bracket h square upon 8 pi square I. Okay, just simplify this step like J2 plus J1 and J2 minus J1 plus J2 minus J1 times h square upon 8 pi square I. Okay, this is just like the formula, that means a square minus b square. Okay, so this is what a square minus b square, so it will be written like this. Okay, that means a plus b and a minus b. Okay, just remember this formula just for reference. So in the next step, J2 minus J1 and J2 minus J1 get common, so the step will be, so delta E is equal to J2 minus J1 and J2 square upon 8 pi square I. Okay, so this is the equation for delta E. Okay, after that you can say that according to basic equation in spectroscopy. So the equation of spectroscopy is nothing but nu is equal to delta E upon h. That means this is what the frequency is equal to delta E is nothing but your energy difference divided by h. H is your Planck constant. So the equation will be delta E is equal to J2 minus J1 J2 plus J1 plus 1 times h square upon 8 pi square I times h. So h is plus J1 plus 1 times h up. Sorry, it's not the delta E. Uh, so it's just a mistake. This is not delta E, this is what of frequency. So This is what new frequency equation. Okay. Now in the next step, if you consider relation ship between wave number that is between wave number that is mu bar and frequency mu. So the equation will be mu bar is equal to mu upon c. So this is what the equation between the relation between the frequency and wave number. So by using this relation, we can write down the next equation for wave number. So the equation for wave number is nothing but, so the frequency divided by cc is nothing but your speed of light. So we know the formula this. So again we can write down here. So it is what j2 minus j1, again j2 plus j1 plus 1 times h upon 8 pi square I, and next is c. Okay, as you know that uh, for a given molecule h upon, you can say that for a given will be constant. So this will be constant, and this constant is called as, this constant is called as rotational constant. That is, rotational constant is denoted as capital B0. Okay, so we can say that the B0 is nothing but h upon 8 pi square I c. Okay, so the above equation will be written like this: mu bar is equal to j2 minus j1, j2 plus j1 plus 1 times b0. So b0 is nothing but your rotational constant. So this is what the equation for rotational spectrum. Okay, so this is what the equation for rotational spectrum. Thank you very much.